Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we are going to learn how to say yes in Turkish. There are different ways to say yes in Turkish language. Let's get started. So the first one is evet. Evet. Evet. Yes. Evet. Tamam. Tamam. Tamam. Okay. Tamam. Okay. Peki. Peki. All right. Peki. Olur. Olur. It's fine. Olur. Elbette. Of course. Elbette. Kesinlikle. Definitely or absolutely. Kesinlikle. Tabii. Of course or yes. Tabii. Doğru. True. Doğru. Aynen öyle. Exactly like that. Or you can say exactly. Aynen öyle. So these are different ways to say yes, of course. Yeah, that's it. İzlediğiniz için teşekkür ederim. Thanks for watching.